Welcome everybody. Well, we're gonna do an unboxing. I don't know why I'd say open for Hero Quest, the Frozen Horror. Okay, maybe I should restart this video, but I'm not. We're just gonna continue with it. The Frozen Horror Quest pack with some new miniatures. So I'll do a quick unboxing here and see what we got on the inside. So obviously we have our Quest pack. Expand your Hero Quest game system. Requires Hero Quest system to play. Sold separately. Duh. Back art. We've got our extra heroes, our new villains, and our main villain as well. You have 21 finely detailed miniatures. Frozen Horror, Barbarian, 12 Mercenaries, 3 Ice Gremlins, 2 Polar Werebears, 2 Yetis. We got 2 new dungeon doors, 35 game cards, 3 cardboard tile sheets, 6 combat dice, 2 movement dice, pad of character sheets. Okay. Well, let's get this bad boy open. What do you say here? Let's get our little handy dandy tool. I don't know where it's at. We're gonna have to use scissors. All right, so let's tear down the side. There we go. Okay. And we'll reposition the camera here in a second. 1 second. All right. Let's get it down just a little bit. There we go. The little Nerd Knight symbol underneath. Let's take that. Okay. Once we take it off, we have our companion app. Ooh, free to download. Okay, provides audio instructions and tracks game progress, controls enemies on screen. Well, that's cool. Let's demand your character in an app. That's actually really cool. Okay, we have our tiles. Extra tiles. Oh, it's unfoldable now. That's kind of cool. Little saver there. That's pretty neat. All of our extra tiles here. We have our quest book, Frozen Horror Quest book. That's awesome. Ooh, Mercenary, cost per quest, gold coins, movement, all the stuff for the DM, of course. The story, all the extra spells here. We don't want to go too many spoilers here. Alchemist Shop, the original from, obviously, our awesome Hero Quest base game. We have all of our cards put in a nice little thing. All of our dice. All of our dice here. And I'm hiding the miniatures on purpose. You can hear my dog in the background going nuts. Those are cool. These are our attack dice. Okay, we got our 2 movement dice, standard blue ones. And those things are really jammed in there, obviously. Okay, we're gonna go through the miniatures. Oh, and the first one, look how cool this is. Get some better lighting here. There we go, you can see that in the back, light it up. That looks fantastic. Really good. This is probably the best miniature out of the series by far. Look how good this looks. And it's a big miniature. My hand's not exactly small. It's the palm of my hand. Okay, well, that's good. And then we have our, what are these ones? Mercenaries. Okay. We got little mercenaries. Halberdier. Okay. This is going to be our Halberdier mercenary. Our crossbowman mercenary, our swordsman mercenary. These are a little bit better quality than the base set. They really picked it up just a little bit. And then our scout mercenary, very nice. And our other, pull it out here. Our other barbarian miniature as well. Very nicely put in there. Let's look underneath here. What do we got? Oh, and there's the rest of it. Little top come out. That's neat. Our first door. This is going to be the iron door. Looks like the devil. Beelzemon. Ooh, looking good. And then we have our frozen wooden door. We're going to be using a lot of whites and blues on these as well. Very nice looking. Oh, and they missed. Oh, did it fall out? Hopefully it fell out because I'm missing one. I am missing one of the ice crumb ones. They did not put it in here unless it moved somewhere. I don't think so. Ice crumb looks really good. Very nice looking. So we'll have to check that out. Oh, there it is. It just fell over here. We have our Polar Werebear. That looks pretty sweet. I'm going to use some Valhalla Blizzard for sure on a lot of these. So going to be using that as well. And then we have our Yeti. Our Yeti looks fantastic. As you can hear that in the background, some yelling and screaming. That looks really nice. And let's see if there's actually going to be some art. Definitely some art on the main guy. So we're going to have to match this color scheme on the main guy as well. And I had to cut that out real quick because there was a lot going on. All right, and the Yeti, these miniatures are a lot better than the base set. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that. I mean, looking at these again, these are really good, awesome looking miniatures. Shouldn't be that crazy to paint, and we should be able to get these on the table relatively quickly. And we have, wow, look at this pad of character sheets right here. Let's peruse underneath here real quick, see if there's anything maybe underneath. Nope. But that's it. That's all there is in there. Nothing crazy. Very well put together. Very well put, stacked up. Very nice looking. Easy to put back together. It's not going to sit there and give you a heartache for not getting it back in there correctly. And we should be able to get this back in here. Perfect. Oh, I forgot this, but I'm going to need to keep it out anyway for the painting portion of it. All right, well, that's it. That is pretty awesome. Stay tuned for the painting series. We're going to try and knock these out as quickly as possible on these. And we have one last episode of our base set, and that's for the desk that should be coming out tomorrow. So look for that as well tomorrow or the next day. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next unboxing because I have some games coming in, and also be ready for the painting series on this and some other stuff we got going on. All right, everybody, good to see you, and I will hopefully see you on the painting series. All right, bye.